Hello guys, this is Mohammed Faisal and today we will talk about Android bottom sheet. There are two kind of bottom sheets in Android. First one is persistent bottom sheet. As you can see, here is an example of persistent bottom sheet and another one is model bottom sheet, which we will cover in the next tutorial. So first let me tell you that for using the persistent bottom sheet, we need bottom sheet behavior class, which is an children class of coordinate.layout behavior, so it can behave like bottom sheet, so it can use the behavior. And there are some attributes or there callbacks or stats in persistent bottom sheet which we will gonna use. So in persistent bottom sheet behavior, there is a callback which is called add bottom sheet callback, which will overrides two methods on slide and on state change. The states are the following, which we will gonna use in on state change. And attributes for behaving the set the behavior of the persistent bottom sheet, we will gonna use the attributes, the core attributes of for the persistent bottom sheet. Here is you can see an example of persistent bottom sheet, so let me just show you. When you will click on the open sheet, it will open the persistent bottom sheet. And if you click on the close button, it will change the state to collapsed. And you can also drag up and drag down this. So let's get started now with Android Studio. So first we will gonna create this layout file. So let's create layout file. So here I have clicked in picture of it, so we can easily create the layout first. So okay, so this is fine. Okay, now let's just hide it this one. So we will gonna need coordinate layout for persistent bottom sheet, for using the persistent bottom sheet. So coordinate layout, okay, and then we will gonna create this view. So match parent wrap content, okay. So padding 20 orientation vertical, okay, fine. So now just text wrap content text. So persistence bottom sheet, okay, this is fine. So here we can set gravity to center, uh, text size 20 dp, text color will be black, text style will be bold, and it is fine. So state, I'm gonna set the state here so we can check that which state is right ongoing, okay. NDP, fine. And here I'm gonna give it an ID state text view, okay, this is fine. Now we need to create two buttons match parent web content text, sorry, open sheet, okay, fine. Margin top 10 dp, ID button, text all caps, false, open. Now let's just set it to close, okay, this is fine. Now we need to create a layout for the persistent bottom sheet. So we just create a layout file, okay, okay, okay. So we are here now. So create a layout for layout, include bottom sheet layout, okay, this is fine. Now we just need to set nested scroll view, okay. And as you can see that we have a border. Yeah. So let me create an drawable file to bg, and I'm gonna set it white border 1 dp. Okay. We'll choose shape. Okay. Shape rectangle, and we're gonna use stroke width 1 dp. Okay, this is a bit hanging, so use color white. This is fine. Now we're gonna use corner. Corners will be radius 10 dp. Okay. Yeah, this is, I think this is it. Stroke, stroke. Let me just set it solid, transparent. Select the Android one here. Use color transparent. Okay, this is fine. Our border file is created successfully. So now we need to create an, let's just set it to wrap content. Okay, fill viewport will be true. Background color will be black. This is fine. Okay, now let me create a linear layout, image parent, web content. Okay, so heading will be around, let me just give it 15. Orientation will be vertical. Let me set the text. Text will be web content, text, select. I'm just creating an dummy layout. You can create your own and you can perform any actions. Okay, let's set the gravity to center. Okay, text and bold, text color will be white, text size will be 16. Okay, fine. Okay, now let me just create a linear layout, image parent, web content, where, okay, fine. So margin top will be 10, background will be bg, and let me just give an elevation for 5. Let me just give a margin for 5 dp so the elevation can show a shadow. Okay, wait. Can't give margin like that. So margin left will be 5 dp, margin right will be 5 dp. Sorry, margin bottom will be 5 dp. Okay, this is fine. Okay, let me just pass it to 20 dp. Okay, no, 30. Okay, 30 is fine. So orientation will be what, horizontal. Yeah, we need to set the horizontal view. Okay, fine, that's fine. Now image view to 50 dp, 50 dp, and src will be, I am just gonna use the IC launcher here. Okay, okay, let me just set it padding here. So padding will be 15 dp. Okay, fine. Text view 0 dp, web content, layout weight will be 1. Okay, now let's set it gravity here. Gravity will be to 7. Center vertical, margin left from 15 dp. Text size will be 20 dp. Text style bold. Text color will be white. Text will be cut. Okay, now we need to add another image for, okay, so let's first get an image. So type Android Studio Assets, go, Okay, go. Next arrow icon. Okay, this is fine. Choose the color to white. Okay, next icon. Okay, just download it. Paste it anywhere. Okay, show in folder. Okay, expand it. Just extract all. Extract here. Now just open. Select all. Select copy. Okay, now go to your Android Studio. Select projects. Select resource and paste it. Okay, we have done successfully. That's fine. That's quick one, bro. That's quick one. Yeah. So continue with our UI section. So what will be the next icon? Okay. Okay, that's fine. I think that's it, right? I wouldn't get it. Is it fine? Yeah, sure. So just copy this one and paste it here and from sorry, this one will need only 30. So what we'll gonna do is we'll type FABOUITE. That's fine. Okay. So here we will gonna pass favorite linear layout because we will gonna perform actions on this. So ID cart linear layout. I'm gonna show you that how you can perform actions. So yeah, it is okay. I think we have done these things. So we have successfully created our layout. So now we need to set that our attributes as we have discussed. So just set it from this to this. Just press Alt Enter, create namespace, idable true. Now we will need a behavior, a peak height, which will be we will gonna set the peak height as 50 dp. That's fine. And the app layout behavior will be the bottom sheet layout behavior. You just remember this thing that you should use this bottom sheet behavior. Okay, so just paste it here. Okay, this is fine. You can copy this as I have done in this one. So now let's just include the layout. So type include set layout support for the bottom sheet layout behavior. As you can see that we have this our bottom sheet behavior here. So fine. So now let's just move to the big main activity file. So copy. Okay, fine. State changes. So text view. Okay, okay, this is fine. Now we'll no longer need buttons. So type button widgets. Okay, this is fine. Now we need to type bottom sheet. So we will need to set our bottom sheet as a ID. So just go on your bottom sheet layout. Come here in nested scroll view in your root view. Type ID and bottom sheet ID. Okay, okay, this is fine. Press Alt Control and L for formatting the UI. So just okay, this is fine. Go to your main activity file. Type bottom sheet behavior. Okay, bottom sheet ID. Then we will gonna need I need to first let me just copy the art linear layout. Here is linear layout. Okay, now let's just find these views first. So find view by ID and ID dot. Now press Control D for directly duplicating the first line. Okay, now we need to find this one too. So here we will gonna create a view first, so we can find the view of bottom sheet layout. So let's import and view by ID. Sorry. Okay, let's give error. Okay, provided view. So bottom sheet ID is, yeah, sorry. Bottom sheet behavior will be bottom sheet behavior. We just need to find sheet view from, and now we will set it to the bottom sheet behavior. Bottom sheet behavior will be from, and now we just need to set the view. Now we have successfully set up the view to this. So now let's set the callback to bottom sheet behavior dot type bottom sheet behavior dot callback. So type new bottom sheet call behavior. As you can see that we have get the on state change on slide methods. So yeah, first let just check the states. So new state, it will be check according to new state. So bottom sheet behavior, let's just check the sheet. So here we have first our collapsed state. So this is fine. Okay, break, just copy this case and paste several times. Okay, I think these are the states. So copy, just paste, copy, just paste again. Okay, we're not gonna use this one. So how? Sorry, how expanded, state hidden. Okay, now just copy one more time. Okay, state settling. Okay, so set state text to set text to collapsed. Let's copy this one, paste, 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 and DLING hidden, half hidden. Okay, expanded, dragging. Okay, so we have successfully set our bottom sheet behavior, and now we need to set the find some views from bottom sheet too. So just okay, I think we have already have this. So just cart and just go down, type street, sheet view dot find view by ID. Dot ID is fine. But press Control D, copy V, and now we just need to set the on-click listener to what? Set on-click listener for this. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is fine. We only have four views which will be clicked on. So fine. Path linear layout, favorite linear layout, and after this we need to implement the on-click listener. So implement on-click listener. Press Alt Enter implement methods on-click listener. Okay. Now we just need to switch view dot get ID. It will be case so dot ID dot linear layout. It will be just copy this one. We have four views for should be close and cart linear layout. Okay, so there now we need to just set the state. Bottom sheet behavior, it will be open, so it will be expanded, and for again hiding a collapse we need to use the collapse state. Okay, and here we will want to just print out a toast, so toast. Okay, but let you can perform any action whatever you want to. I'm just giving a quick demo. So you IDE it. Here it is clicked. Okay, this is fine. I think this is fine. Okay, say let me just run this application first. And there are other ways too for performing the bottom sheet behavior, as we have discussed that there is a model bottom sheet too, which will be always hidden, and whenever we click on uh, whenever we want to use or whenever we want to perform any action, it will be behave like we need. Okay, so our application is done, so let me just click. As you can see that our state is changed, and you click on cart, you can also click on favorite. Okay, you just click on open, you can click on close. Oh, wait a second, change it. So close, so you guys can get it. uh, we have done successfully here persistent button sheet. We will gonna cover model bottom sheet and other perspective like model dialog bottom sheet and dialog fragment bottom sheet. So you can see open and close. You can also drag it down, perform actions. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries.